Because we all have this little mantra in our head, which is, what's in it for me? And while you may be happy making videos, writing, talking about your passion business every single day, if it's of no interest to us, well then we're just going to go our separate ways. There's no crossover with cash. So what you need to find is you need to find a crossover. Now you might find that maybe your passion business right now doesn't have really much of a crossover. So you may have to take maybe a couple of side steps to find a passion that is closely linked to a group of people. And as I said, you need to find an intersect point. Now the reason I'm talking about intersect points is, while it's one way of making money with your passion is entertaining people, you will find if you're looking to make more money, you need to find a group of people who've got a problem and who are willing to pay for that problem to get rid of it.